Managing employees effectively can be a complex challenge, especially for businesses with remote, mobile, or deskless teams. Now, one of the best tools to make this easier is Connecteam. Connecteam is a workforce management app that aims to simplify scheduling, communication, time tracking, and task management all in one platform. But how well does it meet the needs of modern businesses? In this comprehensive review, we'll explore Connecteam's features, strengths, and shortcomings to help you decide if it's the right solution for your team. What is Connecteam? Connecteam is a mobile-first workforce management platform designed to streamline operations for businesses with deskless employees. It's especially popular in industries like construction, cleaning services, retail, hospitality, and field services, where managing schedules, tasks, and communication can be particularly challenging. With its mobile-friendly interface and wide range of features, Connecteam promises to keep teams connected and operations running smoothly, no matter where employees are working. Now, unlike some traditional tools that cater primarily to office-based teams, Connecteam prioritizes the needs of businesses with remote and field employees. By offering features like geolocation-based time tracking, in-app communication, and task assignment, it seeks to be a comprehensive solution for managing a dispersed workforce. Features that define Connecteam. Number one is time tracking. Time tracking is one of Connecteam's cornerstone features. Employees can clock in and out directly from their mobile devices, with GPS geolocation providing precise tracking of where they logged their time. For businesses requiring stricter oversight, geofencing ensures that employees can only clock in when they're within designated locations. Managers can view detailed timesheets, including timestamps and location data, to monitor attendance and productivity. Number two, scheduling. The scheduling module simplifies the process of managing shifts and employee availability. Managers can create and update schedules using a drag and drop interface, set recurring shifts, and send notifications to employees about their assignments. Employees can submit shift swap requests, claim open shifts, and specify their availability directly through the app, eliminating the need for back and forth emails or phone calls. Number three, task management. Connecteam's task management tool makes it easy to assign responsibilities and monitor progress. Managers can create tasks with detailed instructions, set deadlines, and even break down larger projects into subtasks for better clarity. Employees can mark tasks as complete, attach files or photos, and provide updates directly within the app. This feature ensures that everyone stays aligned and that the tasks are completed efficiently. Number four, communication tools. Effective communication is at the heart of any successful team, and Connecteam addresses this need with several in-app tools. Managers can send announcements, share updates, and create group chats to facilitate collaboration. The app also allows for direct messaging, ensuring quick and private communication when needed. Some other features like surveys and polls make it easy to gather employee feedback or gauge team sentiment. Organizational directories provide a convenient way for employees to find and contact colleagues or supervisors, further enhancing connectivity. Number five, HR and training tools. Onboarding and training new employees can be time-consuming, but Connecteam's HR tools aim to simplify the process. Managers can create digital forms, onboarding checklists, and training modules with interactive elements like quizzes and progress tracking. This ensures that new hires are up to speed quickly and consistently. Employee engagement tools such as recognition programs and celebratory notifications for birthdays or work anniversaries help foster a positive workplace culture. These features demonstrate that Connecteam goes beyond operations to focus on employee satisfaction and retention. Strengths of Connecteam. First one being ease of use. The platform is designed to be extremely user-friendly with an intuitive interface that minimizes a learning curve. Even employees who are less tech-savvy than others can navigate the app with ease. Mobile accessibility. Connecteam's mobile-first design ensures that employees and managers can all access all the key features from their smartphones. This is particularly beneficial for field teams or remote workers who need real-time updates. Affordable options. With a free plan for up to 10 users and competitively priced tiers, Connecteam provides excellent value for small and medium-sized businesses. Comprehensive features. From the time tracking to the HR tools, the app offers a wide range of functionalities that cover the essential aspects of workforce management. Customer support. The platform provides responsive support through live chat, email, and extensive help centers, ensuring that users can resolve any issues that they have quickly. Limitations of Connecteam. Number one, dependence on internet connectivity. The app requires a stable internet connection for most features to function properly. This can be a drawback for teams working in remote locations with unreliable connectivity. Feature access by tiers. $99. Now, some advanced features such as the geofencing and breadcrumbs tracking are only available on higher tier plans, which may be prohibitive for some smaller businesses. Limited customization. The platform's customization options are somewhat restricted, making it less flexible for businesses with unique workflows or niche requirements. Integration scope. While Connecteam integrates with popular payroll systems like QuickBooks and Gusto, it lacks compatibility with broader third-party tools such as project management or document sharing platforms. Who is Connecteam best for? Connecteam is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses that need an all-in-one solution for managing mobile or field-based teams. It's particularly well suited for industries like construction, retail, hospitality, and cleaning services, where scheduling and task management are critical. However, large enterprises or businesses requiring extensive software integrations and advanced reporting capabilities may find the platform lacking in these areas. Pricing breakdown. Connecteam offers a range of pricing plans to suit different business needs. They have a free plan, which includes access to all hubs for up to 10 users, making it ideal for small teams or trial purposes. And then there is the basic plan for $29 per month for up to 30 users. And this covers essential features like time tracking and scheduling. Next is the advanced plan at $49 per month for up to 30 users. And this adds features such as geofencing and recurring shifts. The expert plan at $99 per month is good for up to 30 users. And this includes advanced reporting, live GPS tracking, and automation tools. And if you need more than that on the enterprise plan, you can go ahead and reach out to their team for some custom pricing. There's also a 14-day free trial available for all paid plans, allowing you to test the platform before committing. So to get started, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with your free 14-day trial. That'll bring you to a page that looks just like this, where you can go ahead and fill out your first name, last name, business email, and create a password. So after you go ahead and enter your first name, last name, email address, and a password, this is what you will be greeted with on the dashboard. It's going to ask you to customize your app in 1 minute. So you can go ahead and put your company name, my new company, and what is your role? I'm obviously the CEO. Go ahead and click next step, and then it's going to ask how many employees do you have and what industry is your business. We'll go ahead and select construction for this and hit next step. And it's going to add the features that you'd like to your app. They have an operations section, a communications section, and an HR and skills section. So go ahead and select a couple of these and click next step. And then it's going to ask if you want to add your logo. We'll go ahead and skip this step and then add your phone number. All right. And after that, now we can go ahead and take a look at the app here. So as you can see over here on the left-hand side, there are different groupings of areas. So we have the communications area, which has chat, updates, directory, knowledge base, and help desk. And you can also go ahead and add a new section to go under that communications tabs as well. Next, there's operations, where we can access the time clock, job scheduling, quick tasks, as well as add a new section there. And then we have the HR and skills. So we have courses, rewards, documents, recognitions, celebrations, and time off. So here we are currently under the overview section here, and it has some quick action tasks here. So we can add users, we can add admins, add a tasks, or send an update. And if we go ahead and scroll down here, we can go ahead and see some dashboards that we have for things like engagement, daily activity. And as you can see, it's just a really nice, super easy to use interface that you can pick up in no time. If we click over here under the activity, here we're going to go ahead and get a running list of all of the types of activity that you will get tracked in Connecteam. Let's go ahead and add a task here really quick. We'll go ahead and click on go to quick tasks, and we'll go ahead and add task, and we'll add a single task. So here's asking for the task title. We'll say take out trash, and then you can go ahead and assign that to someone. Right now I'm the only person in here, so looks like that's my task, and we'll go ahead and click on publish task. Now we can see we have this take out the trash right here, and it's under no label assigned. If we wanted to put that under general task, we can go ahead and just click on the task and click on edit, go to labels and select general tasks, or create a new label right there. So as you can see, the app is super easy to use, extremely intuitive, and one that you'll pick up in no time if you decide to get started with Connecteam. Again, if you want to get started, be sure to click the link down below in the description to get started with your free 14-day trial. Connecteam is a versatile and accessible platform that simplifies workforce management for businesses with deskless or mobile teams. Its intuitive mobile app, comprehensive features, and focus on improving team connectivity make it a strong contender for small and medium-sized businesses. However, its reliance on internet connectivity and limited customization options may not suit all organizations. But overall, Connecteam offers a valuable combination of affordability and functionality, making it well worth considering for businesses seeking to streamline their operations and improve employee engagement. Now, if you want to get started with Connecteam, you'll find a link link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.